Hi guys, so it's raining outside. Anong relate? Wireless system, air bridge. So this is airphone, ano? Basta, airphone monitoring system. Ayan siya guys, maliit lang siya. Which is very nice because I'm a fan of small but awesome things. Ito i-clip natin sa ano natin. Meron siyang line in, battery charging. So, ito guys, gagamitin na natin to for online streaming and busking. Ayan. Tatry natin siya soon. So, watch out for my full review on this M-Wave transmitter and receiver. Let's go. Let's get. Hi guys, so ito na nga pala yung laman. Yung transmitter niya. Ayan, meron siyang ganyan. Pang clip. Receiver. Ayan. Tsaka meron din tayong ito. So ito lang siya guys, yung malaman niya. Excited na ako na gamitin to para marinig natin yung quality niya. So ayan. Thumbs up.